Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel, and then in this tutorial video guys, we will create a simple password in C++ programming language. I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos, leaving a comment, suggestion. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. I would like to shout out a good friend Tom, a fellow software engineer who is always a part of my channel, who is always helping me out. Sir Ernil, Marshmallow, Ma'am Robelin, and Sir Daven. If you want to be shout out in my channel, leave your name in the comment section of this video and put shout out. So let's get started. I'm using Dev C++ as my integrated development environment, but the code will work in code blocks. It is free to download from the internet in their website. So we have here sharp include IOStream for input output, C-string. So C-string is a library file in C++ that we'll be using because we will using strcmp compare. So a password is a simple security in most applications. Just like we are using our social media account like Facebook, email like Gmail or Yahoo, it will ask for username and password. That is a good example. Here we are using namespace std int main, and then we have here a character password. In this example we have here admin, 123 admin, and then the length of the password is 10. And then we have here new line, simple password in C++. Using do while statement, we have here give your password, say and get line pass 10. If string compare password equals pass not equals 0, invalid password. Using for loop statement, do while loop statement, it will repeat running until such time the right password, that is 123 admin, will be given by the user. If it is false, password accepted, welcome to the system. So while str compare password pass not equals to 0, and then we close. Basically I will put a link in the video description. So in this sample program, it's not only teaching us how to create a simple security program, for our computer, but also it teaches us how to use string compare in the do while loop statement and if else statement in C++. I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code for free in my two websites. So let us compile and run our program. Okay, give your password. Let's say we have here invalid. As we can see, it will continue asking. Okay, wrong password. Okay, wait, I think I entered okay, let's try again. Sorry for that. Wrong password, wrong password, wrong password. 123 admin, password accepted, welcome to the system. When I press enter, it will go back to our program. So let us try again for the third time around. Wrong password, invalid password. Try again. Valid password, 123 admin, password accepted, welcome to the system. Okay guys, so this is the end of our tutorial video on simple password in C++ programming language. I hope that you have learned something new in this tutorial video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys. If you like the content of my videos, by clicking the subscribe button. Thank you so much. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.